In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur background in Zoom meeting. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on the blur effect so your background looks clean and distraction-free while keeping you in focus. First, open the Zoom app on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you're signed in so your settings can be saved for future meetings. Blurring works best on the desktop app, but the general idea is the same on mobile. If the option doesn't appear later, it may be due to device limitations or an outdated app, so keep that in mind as a quick troubleshooting tip. Next, start or join a meeting. Doing this lets you preview the blur in real time and adjust your position. Once you're in, go to your video settings and open the background effects area. On desktop, you'll usually find a small arrow next to the Start Video button. Click it to open video settings, then look for Backgrounds and Effects or a similarly named tab. On mobile, tap the More option during a meeting and look for Backgrounds and Effects. Inside that section, select Blur. You should see the background soften